Welcome back to the yarn shop/studio renovation project. The studio looks very messy right now and we are gonna start working on the walls. But before that, we need to clean this space up because this has become a trash hole. I really love the look of these roller blinds. Unfortunately, they are in the wrong color for my vision for this studio, but we are gonna save them and put them on Facebook Marketplace, and hopefully someone else that has this style in their home will come and pick them up. They are so vintage and I love the shapes of the flowers. I just wish that they would come in pink and yellow. You know me. Brown and orange isn't really my choice of colors. This wallpaper has 2 layers. The first is very easy to peel off, but the second layer is very much stuck to the wall. So we need to figure out if we can do this without any water and just by hand, or if we need to go and grab some additional tools to get rid of all this wallpaper. The second layer seems to come off with spraying some water on it and let it sit for a while. Way easier than just trying to do it without any water. So we're gonna see if this works or if we need to go and grab a steamer. But so far, so good. This is voiceover Veronica, who is gonna speak over the regular Veronica because I messed up with the the sound on these video clips. I managed to film in a setting that didn't record any audio, so that is the reason why there is a lot of voiceovers in this video. I am sorry, but we are gonna work with what we have. I have gotten a steamer and I am very excited to try the steamer and get off more wallpaper, because at this point we realized that it was very tough to get off the wallpaper. It's sitting very well on the wall, and some of you might wonder why we aren't painting on top of the wallpaper. And that is because we like to do a lot of X work. is a in-between update on how it's going with the room. So on Friday, 2 days ago, yes, it's Sunday today, we had our friends here over for talko. Talko is Finnish for working together. And we managed to finish another wall and start on a third one and rip down a whole lot of like the outer layer of the wallpaper. We have realized that it's better to take off the outer layer because it's a little not plasticky, but the fumes or like the steam doesn't go through it as well as if we take it off and then just leave the second layer and steam that one, and then we can take it all off. So trial and error is our friend, because we have learned a lot. And if you are doing a project like this, steamer will be your friend. We have also, let me show you, let me turn the camera around. So this was our first wall, it's near the door. We did sandpaper it. So, because I was a little bit afraid that we wouldn't get a smooth finish, but we managed to do that. We still need to maybe brush it off with something because it's a little bit dusty, but it worked well. So we are, after this, gonna paint this with a primer and then with the actual color. So this is how the room looks like now. That wall we made with our friends, and we started that wall. We have done halfway. Now we have a window, and then we have this one with the doors left to do. I think we might be able to do it in a day or two, and hopefully start painting next week. We also had a cat visiting. It is not here, but it sat on the windowsill and was almost coming inside, but Saffran scared it away. You really like cats, do you? A little bit too much. Yeah. We have managed to clean off all the walls from wallpapers. We had some friends over to help us, made the process so much quicker. We have also, sorry, I didn't manage to film this because we were so quick. We patched all the holes in the walls, as well as, maybe you can see it there, we fixed the corners that was connected to this wall, which is a little bit special because it's not a regular wall, it's made out of wood, and the other ones are plaster, I think. So we are good to go and start painting. I've bought the primer already, so the plan is to paint one layer of primer. The person over at the paint store recommended that we might need to do 2 coats on this wall just because it is drinking more moisture than the rest of the walls. So we might do 2 coats over here and then 1 coat over on the rest of the walls. And after that we're gonna do 2 coats of pink, and I'm so excited. I am gonna take you with me on the painting journey in the next video, so we are gonna close this off here. Thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the technical issues with the sound. I still don't really know what went wrong, or I think I know the camera settings that went wrong and why there were a lot of clips that I filmed that didn't have any sound. But you live and you learn, and hopefully I will not make the same mistake next time. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and following this journey with my studio and yarn shop. I am so happy each time I see a comment in the comment section. So let's go ahead and chat more over there, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!